Hi guys, very good evening. Welcome to SV Market Vlogs. Today we are gonna discuss April 2nd week weekly analysis of Nifty and Bank Nifty. This week when the market opened at the level of 21,758, this is the last week closing at 22,900 and now 21,750 is the opening. This week's low it is near to 21,743, so both combinedly we can take it as 21,750 opening and week's low. Last week's closing 22,900. So we have got a deep market crash, nearly 1150 points. More than 5% market has been corrected. This opening level when we see in the long ago at 21,800 market opened in the February month. Market went into a deep correction. Here we can see in the February to June month. So it taken so much time from 21,800 to close near to 22,800. So this 1000 points range consolidation has happened 4 months. So now in the single week itself market covered this range from 21,752 and finally market closed at a level of this week's closing 22,830. 828 actual closing. So this is a round off figure. What we can expect with this, if market corrected at this range, so it has the strength to recover from this lower level in a single week itself. So now market tries to have some setback at 22,800 to 23,230. So what we have given the range previously, so we can take from 22,800 to 23,500, a longer range for the week. So it is 700 points range around. So this 700 points range can be expected for upcoming week. If 22,800 acting as strong support, then we can treat this is the range. Or else if market by any chance corrects below 22,800, same range, this 1000 points range which market has been stayed for 4 months, so we can expect this range. That's what we predict with Nifty 50. In the same way, now we will study about Bank Nifty. In the Bank Nifty also, what we expected with the last week, so last 2 weeks market has been closed in between 51,000 to 52,000. So this 1000 points range can be respected for this week also. But here also there is the gap down. The market opened in the range in between 49,650 to 49,000. Market opened 49,336. This week's low 49,156. When the market opened in between this range, what we can expect, already we have drawn a level of 49,000 to 49,650. So this 650 points range can be taken. But after this range is broken from 49,650, now we will have the upper resistance value 51,000. So completely this range has been covered with a good green candle, a strong green candle. So here 51,000 is the closing. From opening to closing, the total body range itself, it is around 1664 points exactly. What we can expect with this, if market closes above 51,000 level, we can expect the same range what we have expected with last week closing 51,000 to 52,000, this 1000 points range. Most probably this range can be respected. If this 52,000 level also broken, then we can expect upper side resistance 52,800. So this is the range what we can expect for upcoming week. Let's see how market behaves. So that's all guys, that's all for today. Again we will be meeting on next week weekly analysis of Nifty and Bank Nifty. Bye guys.